I'm going to show you how to pick the very best orders as a DoorDash Dasher, and the best part is these are all 100% legitimate based on strategy. Number one, where are the busiest zones? If this is your marketplace, you need to really classify green and red zones in your mind. What are the better areas, the dense areas with restaurants? Go there. And then nextly, we want to sit or at least be near a DoorDash hotspot, or based on our experience, have our own hotspots. Nextly, you have to have a minimum payout threshold, at least $7 per order, and ideally $1.75 paid per mile. Now, don't drive around looking for orders. You really want to park, sit, and wait. Now, restaurant type does matter. Consider fast food orders versus medium or high-end restaurants that have a higher total, which may mean a higher percentage of tip. And look at the trend analysis to find out the days, the hours, and the areas that are actually paying you the most.